Cryptocurrencies are a popular topic, and there has been much discussion about whether Shiba Inu is a good crypto investment. Many people have argued that it's not worth investing in this type of currency because the market is volatile and unpredictable, but others argue it could be an excellent long-term investment. Some individuals will tell you yes if you ask them if Shiba Inu is a good cryptocurrency investment, while others may respond with their own thoughts on cryptocurrencies as investments or the future of cryptocurrency markets in general. If you enjoy earning money online, why not subscribe to weekly videos all helping you to make smarter investing decisions? So is Shiba Inu a good investment? Shiba Inu has developed rapidly of late, but that alone doesn't make it a good investment. It's not about how much you make, but why. It's crucial to grasp what you're buying and why it may or may not appreciate in value, rather than looking at the price rises and getting scared of missing out. Most cryptocurrencies aren't backed by a firm's assets or cash flows, which means they aren't connected to any business. A traditional investment and a cryptocurrency have different things in common. One is backed by assets and cash flow, whereas the other isn't. With a stock, you're investing in the future of that business, so your investment will do well if it succeeds. You also have a legal right to claim ownership of the company. However, with crypto such as Shiba Inu, your investment is not backed by any asset or cash flow. The only way you can profit if someone is willing to pay you more for your coins. The main driving force behind cryptocurrency is optimism and speculation. When traders are able to persuade someone else to buy cryptocurrency for more than they paid, they stand to profit. If the well of traders dries up, they won't return to the market in order to boost the price. The speculative nature keeps legendary investors such as Warren Buffett away from cryptocurrencies. Finally, there's the issue of Shiba Inu pricing, which is extremely low. Some market participants see it as a sort of cryptocurrency lottery ticket, since they can afford to buy 1 million coins for $50, as in a crypto lottery ticket. They believe that if the coin just increased in value to 1 cent, they would make a lot of money. This is similar to penny stocks. They think they'll earn a lot of money if the cryptocurrency rises only slightly. Even if Shiba Inu went into where Dogecoin was trading, they'd sell their stake. While the coin's price may rise to the sky and moon, it has extremely slim chances of doing so. Is Shiba Inu legitimate? As with most cryptocurrencies, investing in SHIB requires a degree of speculation. While it's difficult to apply any value from an investment standpoint due to meme culture, it's impossible to deny that the price has risen dramatically over the long run. The main issues regarding SHIB stem from its creator's conduct. After giving half of the supply to Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, changing the original white paper and burning the rest, it all appears misleading. Lastly, calling Buterin a friend of SHIB is a huge leap, if not untrue. It seems more like a PR story than a growth trajectory. SHIB does have its own private ecosystem with a decentralized exchange, but it's impossible to tell how safe it is when compared to other platforms that have been through hundreds of audits. If you're intrigued, purchasing SHIB then is like purchasing lottery tickets in bulk, this time in the form of altcoins. Still interested in Shiba Inu? Check out the video on screen now on how you can buy SHIB in the UK.